Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing just 2 or 3 core points. This reduces pressure and gives you a map to follow. Once chosen, practice breathing patterns. Inhale for 4, exhale for 4, and pause briefly before your first sentence so your mouth and mind align. Make a short recording of your opening and listen for filler words. When you hear an note the exact spot. This immediate feedback makes the first actionable step practical and repeatable. Now you focus on replacing fillers with deliberate actions. Practice inserting a 1 or 2 count silent pause where you'd normally say This buys thinking time and sounds confident. Chunk longer sentences into short, rehearsed phrases and practice the transitions aloud so your mouth knows the path. When you feel a filler coming, take a quiet breath and move on to the next chunk. Doing this repeatedly rewires habit. Your brain learns that silence is acceptable. Finish by polishing under realistic conditions. Stand, introduce background noise, or ask someone to listen. Record full-length practice sessions and log the percentage of filler words so you can track improvement. Once done, deliberately slow your speaking tempo by about 10 to 20% if fillers persist. Slower pace reduces cognitive load and makes pauses feel natural. If problems continue, return to short recordings and isolate the troublesome phrases until they are smooth. This targeted repetition fixes recurrent ums.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.